Hi, this is a quick report on where I've got to in making the code library, libEHR for OpenEHR. It's built in LiveCode and it will be going on GitHub, but more on that later. For now, though, I think probably the best thing I can do is if I just take you through quickly using a tester, a demo app I've made for there we go, using a tester app for demoing how the thing works. So I'll show you where I got it. For most people, when they get this beta, well, alpha really, because I haven't finished it, version of the app, they have to send me their UDID for their device. I can then do a build, and then I'll send out a link. So in this case, the link that this app, it's only for iPads, by the way, has got is from a text message. And it's that one there. I was going to press that, and we get to a URL thing, the download link. It's asking, can we install it? So yes. Let's go back to the main screen now, and it's starting to download and install it. And if all the certification and everything is okay, that should install in a second. Okay, let's open it up. First thing to say about this possibly is that this is not a proper app for checking out somebody's asthma or anything like that. This is for checking out, does the library work? Are we connecting properly to the OpenEHR API? So the first thing to check out, as this is a demo stack or test harness, is the library in place and are we able to access it okay? And as you can see there, the library is in use. So let's put it through its paces quickly, and then I'll take you back to the LiveCode IDE, and you can see the library. So I've got a couple of sign-ins at the moment. If I sign in now, you can see I've got a session ID. There is some basic error checking in here. So for instance, if I sign in and I mess up the password or username or something like that, it'll give me an error message. And I'll probably attach a preferences file to this so that as we're using it, people can attach new usernames and passwords and use it for checking out their own particular domains. So once we've got a session ID, we can go for a EHR ID. So at the moment I've only got one subject in there, which is 9999990, and it's given us an EHR ID. Lovely. At the moment I've only got one. This is where I've got to so far, but shall we say let's go for the nursing vital signs observation. By the way, if we go for a different age composition which doesn't exist, then again we will get some sort of error message. Let's go for nursing composition, and let's get the latest data. So it's telling us it's found some data. Let's have a look at that data. So what we're going to look at now is an ERL, an array from the JSON object returned from OpenEHR. So that's it there. That's how it's come back at the moment. It's kind of hard to see everything that's going on in there, but I think it's all right for now. I'm assuming this tester app is going to be for basic demoing, and then as people are developing out, they can put in their own credentials and their own template and make sure is their stuff basically working. So it should be an aid to people developing. Put a couple of other things together. So for instance, this is checking out the template IDs in a particular domain. I want to put in other things as well there as we go along. Okay, I'm going to stop that for now. I'm going to say that's enough for now. And I'm going to disconnect from the iPad here. Okay, let's open LiveCode IDE. So this is the latest version here. As you can see, when we're in the IDE, there is one main difference as you look at it, which is that we have this thing here, which is it's telling us again that the library is in use. Excellent. That means that the library is sitting along beside the app, the stack file. And got a little thing here, so we can just open the script quickly. So this is what it looks like at the moment. some of it is in place. There's still a lot more to do. As you can see, there's no commenting, so that will have to go in there as well. But it's a start. Along with the tester, it's a start, and I'll do more as time goes by. So I think that's it for now. If you want to have a play around with the tester, please get in touch. I'll need your UDID. I can send you a guide on how to get that. And it will be going up on GitHub as well. Thank you very much, and goodbye.